Okay, alright. Oh my god, I have 20 minutes until like a work thing, which is really annoying because I need to get around to filming this video. I haven't filmed it and I've had this wig for so long and I've been meaning to film this video, but I've been so busy with uni, moving, work. I'm sure I've got something else in my life. Don't want to wear a wig today because it looks great. But I'm going to film a review for you anyway. So, here we go. The graphic designer in me already loves the kind of minimal packaging. It said WeekendWigs. That's who sent me this wig. I can't tell if it's like a brown or a gold, but it's lovely either way. So, open it up and here we go. Are you intrigued? What's all this about? Let's find out. Oh! So you got the usual wig caps. There's two wig caps in here. Right. Every single wig I review has given me like 2 wig caps, and yet when I need a wig cap, I can't find one. So once again, thank you, WeekendWigs. But this is the cutest thing. A little bag for hairpins. Oh my god! How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 hairpins and a cute little bag. That's really cute. Thank you. Oh, it's nice and different. Here's the wig. Again. Are you intrigued? So I'm going to try it on now. It is a half black, half white wig. Oh my god. So take stuffing out. I cannot tell you for how many years I have wanted a half black, half white wig. I was considering making one myself because it's also a very specific thing. I was like, I didn't want to buy one though because I was like, well, it's only for specific looks. I don't want to buy a wig that I can only wear for like a set amount of looks. But then WeekendWigs came through and were like, do you want to review this wig? Yes, I do. So here it is. Half black, half white. It's fully white. It's not like a black and blonde moment. I'm not going to do a Cruella de Vil look. I'm telling you right now, I don't do that. Okay, how long do I have? I have half an hour and I'm wondering just if I should bother. I'm not going to glue this down today. I'm going to just review the wig itself, and I might glue it down actually, and I'm going to cut the lace off. So you can see it has a widow's peak already. I don't like widow's peaks on me. I might like it on this wig. If not, I'm going to just tweeze it out. And the same with the style. I think this curly style looks a bit aging and will make me look a bit old. But if this wig is straight, I think it'll look sick. I do not have the time to do that today. So at the end of this video, I'm going to do it, and I will insert some pictures of it straight. And if I pluck the hairline, I will insert pictures of the hairline plucked. But for now, let's just review this wig. I'm telling you right now, it feels nice and heavy. It feels like there's a lot of hair. The lace looks good. I'm very excited to try it on. So I'm going to firstly put one of these lovely wig caps on. I'll start off by putting my hair in a ponytail. Get that out my face. Okay, this is a tight wig cap. This is not the best for my fat head. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of these lovely little hairpins. Hairpins, hair clips, bobby pins. What do you call them? Let me know. So I'm going to secure the wig cap on with these. They feel so nice and sturdy. I usually buy cheap pins. These are lovely though. Okay. That's kind of on. And I've used half the pins. It's time to put the wig on. I'm so excited. Put it on front first and then flip it around to the back. I can see it comes with combs, so that's very nice. That means I can throw it around when it's on my head. There, secured the back comb and then throw it on. Whoa! Oh, jeez. I'm sure there's a character who has hair like this, not Cruella de Vil, but like a vampire. Like one of the monsters, or like a vampire person. Oh god, I don't know though. Just pull it back a bit. Whoa, it's so cool. I have black hair. I have white hair. Nice. Oh my god, I love this. I love it so much. There is a smell to it that I just can't get over. So if this was straight, I just think that it looks so much cooler if it was straight. Especially on me. I don't like the curly thing. Especially the white and curly. Kind of just looks old on me. That might just be me that thinks that though. It's also the widow's peak does not help. I am probably going to pluck that out. But here we go. Here is the wig. Oh my god. Half black, half white is so cool. And it's such a nice wig. It moves so nice. I can't wait to play with this and style this and wear it. Oh. Okay. I have some scissors. I'm going to cut the lace off. And then put it back on. So I'm cutting the lace and I'm leaving, as they all say, about 1/4 of an inch or like a centimetre. I don't know if those are the same thing, but that's how much I'm leaving. I'm really tempted to just slice through that widow's peak. I hate widow's peaks. I think it's because I have a complex about, like, having a big forehead and a male-looking hairline. So a widow's peak, to me, just looks like that. But I just think fake widow's peaks never... real-life hairlines don't look like that. You know, that harsh and graphic. But then again, you could say that about every single wig ever, actually. Secure the combs in. That streak going over there, that's fun. Isn't that like from like Frankenstein or something? I don't know. The only reference I get this from is like when Marge Simpson was doing it. So that's as far as my pop culture references go, when the Simpsons parody it. The white on the black is cool. Black on white, not so cool. Also, this is very Manila Luzon right now. One of the reasons I wanted to do this was because I've been told I look like Manila, you know, for a while now, and I'd love to do like a Manila transformation. There's so many cool things you can do with this half black, half white thing. What if I just throw it over to the side like I always do? Oh! Now I look even more Manila. What about the other side? Because yeah, it's the centre parting, but we don't always want to have to do a centre parting. That's nice too. Oh, this is all looking pretty nice. I used to have half and half hair, but it was like half dirty blonde, half very dark brown. When I was like younger, and it looked awful. Okay, I thought I would have a harder job getting the parting right, but you know, honestly, it's not that hard. Oh my god, this is fun. Feels great. Look at the volume. There's a lot of volume. I can straighten this, and I'm confident it'll still look nice and big. There's a lot of hair in the cap. Construction of the cap is nice. Hair itself is soft. The lace is amazing and looks invisible on me. Great, great, great. Absolutely just great wig. This is from WeekendWigs. I'm going to pull up the email now, tell you if I have any information for you. This wig, I'm telling you right now, there is a discount code. You can get 10% off with the code AVA10. AVA10. AVA, me, 10. How much money are you getting off? 10%. Synthetic lace front wig in WW041 looks just like the picture. Worth $82. Not bad, very reasonable price. It is a heat-friendly synthetic fibre, approximately 22 inches in length. Average cap size, again 22 inches. Construction is a lace front with wefted back. Nice. Restylable up to 170 degrees C, so you can restyle it, which I'm going to straighten it. Adjustable straps, 3 combs for a secure hit. Wow. A natural hairline, 1.5 inches of parting space on a soft, invisible lace front. So you've got the front of the wig, and then you've got 1.5 inches goes back, but it's around the whole front, which that's fine. So it means I can part it wherever I want, as you just saw me doing before, and includes a free wig cap. Actually, it includes 2 free wig caps. No reviews yet, so I'm going to have to write a review, leave them a review. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. WeekendWigs.com. Go get yourself one of these and use the code AVA10. Hopefully, after I've done all this, I will be able to put in pictures of me with this straight and with a different hairline maybe. So happy to finally have a half black, half white wig. That's so fun. Okay, cool. Check out WeekendWigs on their website. I'm sure they have Instagram and other social media as well. Check me out if you want to see more future wig reviews and other such things like that. I do a lot of wig reviews actually. I filmed 2 today. The last one did not go as well as this. So, I keep it real. I keep it 100. I keep it gangster. No, I don't. I also review lots of things, makeup and stuff. Is there anything you want me to talk about? Do people want me to talk about anything? Do you want to know about cross-dressing or facial feminization or RuPaul's Drag Race or gaming or anything like that? Because I'll talk about it all, I'll do it all, and I have done most of it. I have a lot of videos, and summer's coming. I intend to be putting out a lot of videos over summer. Spring, summertime-ish, the next month or so. So if you have any suggestions for some future videos, let me know and hit me up. For now, check out their website, get yourself a weekend wig for the weekend. Use code AVA10, 10% off, save yourself some money. And again, like this video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel for future videos, check out my older videos, and follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram. How dare you? That's all from me. Now I'm in a huge rush, so I'm gonna bounce, okay? I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna just go to work. Well, not work, I'm training. I'm gonna be walking on stilts. That's fun. Do you want me to talk about what I do for work? Let me know. I'm gonna go looking like this, and they're gonna be like, why did you come to training with so much makeup on? You're so extra. And I'm gonna be like, sorry. Okay, cool. Thanks. Bye. I'll try and do it on my head, but I'll probably end up getting impatient and then taking it off and doing it on my knee or something. I don't have any wig heads here with me. So while they're heating up, I'm going to put on a red lip because I think that would look nicer. Black hair goes well with a red lip. White hair goes well with a red lip. So, stands to reason. I'm going to do the front bits first just to see how it looks. And then if I'm like, wow, I'll keep going. Brush it out first. And start at the end. The wig is not frying, so it's a good sign. It's so hot though. Yeah, I think that's substantially straighter. I think that's already much nicer, isn't it, when it's just a bit straighter. Okay, so I'm going to keep going and I'm going to do this whole wig. Now I know if you really want to straighten a wig you should steam it, but again I don't have a steamer here. If I wanted a wig steaming I'd give it to my mum, because she steams a wig pretty good. When it's straight I can see the shine on the hair more, and I can just tell like what good quality hair it is. And don't I already just look so much cooler? I mean, I think so. You don't have to tell me.
The summer's calling.